everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So here you can see this date 19th October 2024 IELTS exam writing task 1. We will be doing it. Everything means right from how to write introduction, how to analyze the map or diagram, how to write overall paragraph, how to write detailed body paragraphs. Everything we will discuss. I will show you how to write good band scores IELTS writing task 1 essay. Okay, so that is report writing. So first we have got the question statement and there are two diagrams I can see. So let's read the question statement. The two plans below compare the layout of a typical Japanese office and a typical American office. Okay, the two plans. So there are two plans I can see. One is for Japan, this is for typical American office. Okay, so Japan, here windows I can see, windows here also, windows here also, and department manager, section manager, section manager, section manager, section manager, department manager, and here there are some different things. So one instruction is also there. This round shape is called here chair. Okay, so it means these are all chairs. Now I can see this is a room. At the front means towards the north side, it is department manager. Here, from here he can see, he can take a look on each and every employee, like section manager also, and under section manager there are 6 desks, 6 employees on the desk both sides. Here also he is looking at 6 employees and this person is looking at these all the person here, but something is different. Department manager is sitting at the end, and here joining there are 2 sections, 2 cabins, in fact, section manager, and towards the left side of the office room there are 4 different storage word is also here. It is copper or copier. So it is copier means printing room, you can say conference room, and employees are sitting in the at the center of the room, you can say. And just now we have read department manager, section manager, they have here small room, here bigger room, here also small room, and they have bigger room, and extra storage space, extra room or facilities they have given in American. But one thing you should note it, here 12 employees are sitting in one room. Here only 10 employees are sitting in one room. Okay, now we have compared, we have analyzed the things. Here nothing to show about highest and lowest point. Okay, so comparison we can do it. Now what we have done, so what we have just looked at the question statement, we have found 2 maps or plans, titles also we have read, Japanese and American, and directions also if you want to use it. But everywhere here we will not be using directions. We can use directions, I have used it, but center part, lower part or front part of the office, you can say it, center of the plan, space, cabins, front side, lower side, you can use these words. And of course some rules, 150 minimum words. If your words are coming out 140 or 145, doesn't matter. If you have written quality words, quality things, then you will get good bands. 20 minutes only you have to spend. Try not to repeat the verbs. If you repeat the verbs like increase, increment, decrease, many verbs you are repeating it. In fact, I am also doing it, but I can proofread my essay after writing it. So try compare the things. If you do not compare the things between the things, like if I write body detail paragraph about this, and if I write body detail paragraph about this separate, and that's okay, but at least 2 or 3 categories, like here I can compare with this department manager and this. He has got small space, he has got larger space, and in fact these 2 section managers also, they have got larger space. And one more comparison I can tell you, striking point you can say, here 12 employees are sitting in the plan, in the office. Here only 10 employees, but here they have created some facilities, here there is no facility. Okay, so that is the comparison. Definitely I will be showing it to you. Variety of sentence structure, you should use a simple, complex and compound sentence structure. Now coming to how to write introduction. So introduction, as you know, in writing task 2 and 1, you have to paraphrase the question statement. Oh, hello. Please subscribe also, like and comment also. I forgot to ask you. So the two plans I have given, the given floor plans. Okay, the given floor office plans, you can write it, or direct office plan. The given floor office plans, office floor plans. This is wrong. Office floor plans illustrate, instead of compare I have written illustrate two distinct office layouts. So here we don't need to put office here. Two distinct office layouts. One shows typical, because here compare the layout of a typical Japanese office. One shows typical Japanese style and the other representative of American office design. Okay, so this is just paraphrase of question statement, nothing else. You don't have to do anything in introduction, because here no data representation in percentage and all, so we can't write those things. Overall paragraph, overall what we can see here, 12 employees, 12 and 10 employees, more office space for department manager, and 4 extra facilities created. So these are highlighting point. So how we will write? Overall it can be seen that, see, when your words are exceeding like 200 and all, then please remove these words. Overall definitely you have to write, remove these words. Overall it can be seen that you can remove it, but if you write it, then it's good. Doesn't matter 212 or 13 or 10 words or 190 words, it will come out in task 1. Don't worry about it, because I have seen lot of sample answers in Cambridge books at the end. Those who are writing in good style of writing task 1, 250 words also, they are getting 7+ bands. So that the office layout in Japan tends to be designed according to the hierarchical manner. Okay, so first senior, then sub junior, then the lowest junior persons they are sitting. So higher, then lower, then or lower. Okay, so here it can be seen that office layout in Japan tends to be designed according to the hierarchical manner. However, the modern style American workplace provides different managers estropass, different managers cabins, as well as additional room for particular functions. Means particular functions or facilities you can write. So this, in short, we have talked about overall paragraph. Now body detail paragraph. First I will talk about this. So if you want good bends, I'm telling you, just make your own template, make your own language. In a traditional design of office layout, so this is office layout in Japan. In a traditional design of office layout in Japan, the department head manager's desk is located at the at the head of the office room. From here, office room, comma is there, sorry, here after room it is comma. From here he can overlook at the whole office employees. Okay, from here he can overlook at the whole office employees, right from just above center, right from just this is center, right from just above center, there are 2 section managers desk, or cabin you can say, because cabin desk or cabin desk, here you can say on cabin on both sides of the room. No, this is not cabin actually. No, sorry, this is not cabin, this is just desk only. On both sides of the room, which have been further divided with 6 desks with workers or junior employees sitting on chairs. Okay, so these are not cabins, because cabins shape are like that, it's like room and some openings are there. So these are desk only, table and chair only. So from just above there are 2 section managers desk on both sides of the room, which have been further divided with 6 desks with workers or junior employees sitting on chairs. Okay, now we have talked about this. Now let's talk about, this is important to analyze the thing. So So in contrast, the department manager's working space is situated towards southeast corner of the office room in American layout plan. See this? My full sentence from here to here. In contrast, this department manager's room is located on southeast. This is south, north, west and east. So this is southeast corner. So department manager's working space or cabin, you can say, is situated towards southeast corner of the office room in American layout. So now I have started with the main thing, but in previous I have started with the main, this Japanese. So you can change the sentence structure also. Now next, it is worth noticing that this is the biggest cabin space in whole office room. Biggest office space in the whole office room. Okay. Now similarly, two section managers space could be seen adjacent to the senior department employer. See this? These two can be seen adjacent to the senior department manager employer. Senior department employer. In the middle, here in the middle location, 10 staff desks are individually organized in rows. No, 10 staff desks are individually organized in rows and sitting over there. Unlike Japanese office, now I am comparing here from this to this. Unlike Japanese office, that of the American unlike means not in Japanese office, it was not there. That of the American includes a American office, includes a printer, copier, cabin, storage space and two adjoining conference rooms for meetings. So see this, we have combined all the things in one sentence comparing with that. Unlike in Japanese office, means there was no facility like that we are comparing. Now last line is also there. Everything we have talked about, we have forgotten windows. Finally, not to forget about windows, the letter, this is the letter, the second one. The latter layout has more windows than the former. This is the former, means first map, with large windows installed on two sides of the office room. So this is my writing task 1.